Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI. We all could use a little bit of extra storage in our bathroom, but if you want it to be cute and functional, then you should check out this toilet paper cabinet from AOJEZOR. I received this cabinet and I am so pleasantly surprised. The first thing that I absolutely love about it is that it is dual colored. So it features a really nice black base, but then also has a little bit of bamboo in the cabinet door as well as the shelf here. It's also extremely functional, so I can add a little bit of decorations up top here with my plant. It holds our toilet paper, so it's nice and convenient, but it also has another area for storage right below on this shelf where we like to put our wet wipes, but you can certainly use it for whatever you need to. The key feature that I needed was some place to hold some extra toilet paper if we needed it, and that's perfect in this cabinet down here. It opens up really nice. It holds 2 mega-sized rolls of toilet paper perfectly, even with a few inches to spare. What's unique about this cabinet is it's not made of wood or manufactured wood. It's actually made of PVC, so it's really sturdy, but also lightweight too. Putting it together was a breeze. The pieces really interlocked like a puzzle, which made it really fun to put together, but extremely easy too. This toilet paper cabinet is absolutely beautiful. So if you're looking to add a little cute decoration, but also have some functionality in your bathroom, then definitely check out this toilet paper cabinet from AOJEZOR. But that's just my point of view.